Making error bars not clipped in matplotlib with Python. I am using matplotlib in Python to plot a line with error bars as follows. I set the ticks on the x-axis using sticks. However, the error bars of the last point in's values, i.e. values -1, are clipped on the right, meaning only half an error bar appears. This is true even with the clip underscore and equals false option. How can I fix this, so that the error bars appear in full, even though their right side is technically outside values -1? Thanks.
In matplotlib, most of the detailed control needs to be done through the artist. I think this should do what you want. The problem you were having is that the clip underscore on keyword was being used to control the markers and not the error bars. To control the error bars, plt.errorbar returns a tuple, where the second item is a list of error bars. So here I go through the list and turn the clipping off for each error bar.
Is this what you mean? Do you want to redefine the horizontal limits of your plot? Source: steve@joa.com.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.